Hi, I'm Erinn Gavaghan, Executive Director of the Arts Center, and we are getting so close to SpecTACular, a Monster Ball, our brand new fundraiser. It's just a few days away. And I wanted to just give you a reminder that you do not have to attend the event to bid on our auction items. The auction is live online and anybody can start bidding now. I wanted to share with you a couple of tips and tricks to bidding on the 32 auction platform. So anytime you have an item that you've bid on or that you're following, you'll get notified immediately if something happens with that. So for example, I just got a notification that Art History Mysteries has new activity in it, that someone bid on it. Also, when you put your phone number in, you'll instantly get a text anytime you have been outbid. So you'll know right away if you need to go back in and up your bid. I'm going to quickly walk everybody through how easy it is to use 32 auctions to bid at the SpecTACular Monster Ball. The first thing you do is you follow the link to our auction. And you will see the auction will come straight up. At this point, you can click to view all items, but you won't be able to participate until you either log in or create an account. If this is your first time here, you'll need to create an account. So if you want to mark things that you like, or you want to place bids, you'll need to create an account. When you create an account, it's going to ask for your email address, and then it'll ask for some additional information. You may enter a credit card for ease of checkout. It'll automatically check you out at the end of the auction, but you don't have to. You can also check out later directly with the Arts Center. And if you put in your phone number, you will get automatic text notifications on any items that you've bid on or are watching in your watch list. So I'm going to go ahead and log in and just show you a couple of features in the auction platform. So you'll see I've got a little heart here with a 14 after it. That means that there are 14 items that I've put into my watch list. And it's very easy to add an item to your watch list. You simply go in and click on the heart. And you'll see a star with 3 items. That means that I have 3 items that I have bid on. Okay. So once you've logged in, then you can go through all of the items. You can see there's 104 of them, and you can mark the ones that you like. And then when you come back to it, you can just click on your watch list. You don't have to search through everything to see how the items that you're watching are doing. To bid on an item, it's very simple. You just put in your starting bid amount. You'll see that this item has to start at $100, and then it can be increased by $25. So I can put in a $100 bid and place my bid. And I will submit that. Now I'm the leading bidder. Now the other thing that I can do instead of just placing an exact bid is I can place a proxy bid. So to do that, you put in the maximum amount that you would be willing to bid on this item. So I'm going to put in $150. I'm going to update my bid. And now we see that I'm going to bid up to $150. The current bid is $100. If someone comes and does the next minimum increase of $125, it will automatically outbid that person and put in my $150 bid. So this is a really easy way to make sure that you are staying active on the items that you're wanting to bid on up to that specific amount without even having to watch the auction. It will do it all for you. And that's really it. So once you log into the auction, set up an account and start liking things and start bidding on things. And you have until 9:30 Saturday evening, October 25th. If you are the winning bidder on anything, you will be notified as soon as the auction ends that you are the winning bidder, and you will either receive a receipt or an invoice in your email. And that's all there is to it.